You know, as my audience grows and grows and grows, I get one question all the time that asks me, what is my biggest regret? I got a lot. I made a lot of mistakes in 57 years with the alcoholism and ruining my life. But if I'm going to be truthful, one of my regrets stands out above everything else. The way I treated my ex-wife. Before I say anything else, I'm going to be crystal clear about one thing. I do not miss that marriage. It was poison. It was toxic. I'm not in love with her. I'm so grateful, happy with my life today. My new wife, Sandra, I love her more than anything, more than I have the right words for. She's my best friend. I am the luckiest mother effer that you know to have her in my life. Not about wanting a different life or my old life back. It's about taking responsibility for all the fucked up stuff I did before. 23 years. I wasn't the husband I should have been. I never listened. Wasn't emotionally available. I drank almost every day of those 23 years. I was pissed off every day. Selfish. I thought providing money, providing a house, businesses made me a good husband, but that's bullshit. The people closest to me paid that bill for how bad I treated them. My ex-wife paid the price, my kids paid the price, my businesses paid the price, the money paid the price. For a long time, I couldn't look in the mirror, so I drank, ruined my liver almost. Alcohol is a great way to avoid being honest. The problem is you get up in the morning hungover and you still got to look at yourself in the mirror. Eventually, 7 years of therapy, I lost weight, started working on my health. I had to. Started taking responsibility for my money again. Started taking responsibility for my life, every second of it. Something very important happened. I stopped lying to myself and making bullshit excuses. I stopped blaming my ex for cheating on me, and bada bada Buddha, gone. I stopped convincing myself with lies that I was something different when I was younger. Finally looked at myself through sober therapy eyes. So hard. Hated when I realized what I did. When you're willing to face yourself, you don't always like what you see. And that's where the real healing starts. Today, I still regret that period. My biggest regret, I'm sure I always will on some level. She and I have no contact. I can't undo all that. So many words I wish I could take back, but can't. My kids that I'm not in their life, can't go back and be a better husband or a better father. Here's what I've learned. Regret doesn't have to destroy you if you use it as a tool. It can teach you, it can humble you, it can carve you to become someone better. My ex-wife and I will never see each other again. Never. I'm good with it. I'm glad about it. Some doors are never to be opened again. I'm good with it. But something did come good from all of the pain that I inflicted on everyone. I did the work. I dealt with the pain. I am a better man. And today my new wife, Sandra, gets all of the good stuff. My friendships are stronger. The people I coach get the benefit of that work. I help a lot of people. Most importantly, I can look in the mirror, not because I'm proud of who I was, because I'm proud of who I am becoming. Starting over. If you're carrying regret, don't run from it. Face it. Talk to someone. Learn from it. Carve yourself a new life. Make it better instead of bitter. Sometimes the best apologies are not words. Sometimes the best apology is becoming a person that'll never do that again. Such a hard thing and such a simple thing all at the same time, if you know what I mean. If you're starting over and you're having a trouble restarting and dealing with yourself, my information is in the bio below, erichobaugh@gmail.com. Hit me up if you feel like you could use some help. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.